You know, they call me Rayce.
They call me 2Shotz.
Yeah.
2012 we still counting TUG, baby.
The party's getting started. I'm a tell me. I want.
Well, today, damn, I'm sweating on the beach. That's impossible. But it is happening. Anyway, today is the video shoot for Jobiokoto. I dropped the single like about a month and a half ago. I met Rayce. I saw Rayce's video roll, and I was, really in love with the video. I wanted to meet him because he was new and someone that I really loved. Someone I really loved his, his attitude and everything. Apparently, I didn't know he's been trying to meet me as well. So we met at shout out to Pop the Hitman. We met at Pop the Hitman's club tour, and I met Rayce out there. We got talking and exchanged numbers and everything, and then we talked. Then we started to chat via BB, and then we talked about doing a song together. He eventually did a song, did the chorus, sent it to me, and I was traveling, and I got the song on my phone, and I listened to it just before we took off, and I fell in love with the song and the chorus immediately. While I was up in the air, I wrote my verses, landed, called him, and I was really in love with the song. I was excited about the song, got back to Lagos, recorded it in my studio, sent him like a demo of what I had done. He was impressed, came to the studio, and then we had to re-record. And that was how the song eventually came out. And everybody was like, no, this song is mad, it's smashing, it's a hit and everything. And I pushed it, in a couple of radio stations, in a couple of, states and everything. And right now, right here, today, we're shooting the video, directed by Victor Ojo. He's even calling me right now, you can see. I don't know why all directors go crazy.
Oh yeah, Jobiokoto, from Eko to Sokoto.
I'm so inspired by this
Don't worry, don't look at me, just look at the camera. Sometimes look away from the camera. Forget everybody around you.
Forget about me, don't worry.
Jobiokoto, from Eko to Sokoto. I'm so inspired by this and she found in a Sokoto.
Anyways, we're here to support 2Shotz.
You were asking me if anybody has Jobiokoto. Show us, please.
No.
Come on, show us.
I didn't sing the song.
Go Ragged.
Excuse me, I only do Galanta for you.
Yeah, let's see it.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
It's a mixture of Galala and Alanta.
Yeah, let's see it.
But sorry, I can't do it.
Please.
So, Jobiokoto is what we're here for. We're here to support 2Shotz, Omonamu. And oh well, plenty people. But the only thing I'm worried about is if they're going to shoot me, they need to shoot me quickly because I'm wearing sunshades and the sun is going down, so it's going to turn to moonshades very soon. And I didn't call my moonshades. Come on. So shoot me wearing the sunshades, please.
Shout out to 2Shotz.
Shut up, 2Shotz? Did you say shut up, 2Shotz? Oh, shout out to 2Shotz. Okay, let me just make it like 2Shotz. Let me make this interview. I want it to be 2Shotz. Shout out to 2Shotz. Omonamu has been doing it from way back to now. From 4 men to when he was with Tribesmen, and now he's 1 man known as 2Shotz. God bless you, 2Shotz. Keep your hustle going. You will pay, man. God bless Nigeria.
And you know how it is now.
You know how it is now. If I don't rock this TV will rock me. So I'd rather just rock. I rock TV. I'll let you know. Patient is still me. Bye.
This day on me like biceps. I see she don't they know my mindset. 2Shotz. Yeah. 2012 we're still counting TUG, baby.
The party's getting started. I'm a tell me. I wanna rock my body. Find got this and she fine in a Jokoto.
But you're gonna be here, right? Because he on the set with me.
Shaky, shaky body assets, all the markets. Yeah, she got me on it. My temperature they run down. And I don't mind if you follow me, go make me shut down. Different bubble, she hit me up on Facebook, and she's off the hinges and off the wall, but she got me. Check out this shake, look. I'm a I wanna rock my body. Fine girl, we want it today. Oh yeah, Jobiokoto. Oh yeah, Jobiokoto.
I'm ready to sing this song, and this is what I just say. Do me all these things. It's a non policy. Don't fall again.
They call me Rayce. They call me 2Shotz. Yeah. I'm a baby. I wanna rock my body. Fine girl, we want it today. I'm a baby, tell me. I wanna rock my body. Right now, it's body today.
Everybody are all right.
She got me choking, traffic jam like asthma, and she's off the hinges and off the wall, but she got 3 bodies like asthma.
Come here. I serious you.
She got me glancing, seductive dancing. She got me on a lockdown for some more romancing. Kill her fast up, one more if each other. And I promise you by the end of the night, when I'm done, there'll be no more man. She got me choking, asthma, traffic jam like asthma, and she's off the hinges and off the wall.
Hi.
Hello,
What's your name?
Julia Godwin. I'm a dancer and a runway model too as well. I'm serious, I love bikini. You know, when you have it, you flaunt it, you know. Maybe other girls don't really have what it takes, you know.
So you have it.
Yeah, I have it and flaunt what my mama gave me, you know. Yeah, shout out to my man, 2Shotz. I wish you the best. Mwah, from Julia Godwin. Hi. Hi, Rock TV. Ooh.
She got me glancing, seductive dancing. She got me on a lockdown for some more romancing. Kill her fast up, one more if each other. And I promise you by the end of the night, when I'm done, there'll be no more color. She got me choking, asthma, traffic jam like asthma, and she's off the hinges and off the wall.
So say, shout out to my brother, my senior brother, DJ So say. In fact, he came here before me, and he's been making me feel very bad.
No, because yo, let's be real. It's your video shoot. How come the DJ gets to get to your video shoot before you?
I had to make sure the models were here on time. You know, they felt really connected to
See,
me.
that's the problem with Nigerian artists. They always make excuses.
Well, that's my
Alright,
excuse.
sorry. We gotta go back on the set.
We gotta go
Peace
back
out.
on the set.
No.
This is 2Shotz. This is iRock TV.
This interview
On
is
set.
Yo, that's Rugged Man. Rugged Man on set.
This interview was 2Shotz.
And that's Tramborella.
And that's DJ Stramborella.
On set.
And that's them getting.
She got me glancing, seductive dancing. She got me on the line.